If you hate large phones, but love photography, music, videos and gaming, the Sony Xperia 5i may be just what you've been waiting for. In case you missed it, allow us to repeat: this phone has gaming ambitions as unlike the Xperia 1i. Its screen refreshes at 120Hz. It is 6.1 OLED display, and while it drops the resolution to 1080p+ while keeping the 21:9 aspect ratio, it's still pretty sharp and supports HDR and creator mode, so the film looks just as the director intended. Better yet, this is the first phone that supports black frame insertion, a trick TVs use to reduce motion blur. The display also has a touch sampling rate of 240Hz and various software and hardware optimizations to reduce latency by 35%. This will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 chipset No Plus, which is paired with 8GB of RAM. This means that you get the same performance as the 6.5 Sony flagship, even a bit better, as the CPU now uses an optimized governor that tries to run workhorse simultaneously while using less power. Race to sleep. Storage comes in two sizes, 128GB and 256GB, and there's always the microSD slot if you need more room. Interestingly, the Xperia 5i will also be available in a dual SIM configuration in Europe. Previous models came only as single SIM. If the S865 chipset was enough of a clue, this is a 5G smartphone sub-6. The camera remains basically unchanged, save for the removal of the 3D time-of-flight module. There are some improvements on the software side that will be ported over to the Xperia 1i. Sony has enabled JPG plus RAW shooting, and the 4K/120fps slow-motion videos are now shot in HDR. As for the camera hardware, we get three 12MP modules on the back. The main cam gets a 1.7 sensor with OIS. It and the ultra-wide 16mm cam feature dual-pixel autofocus. Then there the 3x70mm zoom camera, which brings OIS of its own. All three cameras boast Zeiss lenses with the anti-reflective coating. Autofocus is available. It works on both humans and animals. The phone can shoot 20 photos per second with continuous AEF. Despite its smaller stature, the Xperia 5i has the same battery capacity as the bigger Mark II, 4000 mAh. You'll receive an 18W USB power delivery charger in the box, but you can use a more powerful charger to charge at up to 21W. Even with the included power brick, a 50% charge is achieved in 30 minutes. Sony added two literally cool features to reduce battery degradation. Battery Care lets you pick a slower charging curve, and you can now limit the maximum charge at 90%. The HS Power Control heat suppression enables a pass-through mode for gaming. The phone uses power directly from the charger to avoid the heat generated by first routing electricity through the battery. The phone brings over all the fan-favorite features from the Xperia 1i, including the 3.5mm headphone jack. The body of the phone is rated IP68/IPX5 for dust and water resistance. The front and back are protected by Gorilla Glass 6. It measures only 68mm wide and 8mm thick, making it more compact than most phones available today. There will be 4 colors to choose from at launch: black, gray, blue and pink. The US will only get the black version, with the Sony Xperia 5i going on pre-order for $950 on September 29, 2020 and shipping on December 4, 2020. Those who pre-order Xperia 5i by November 29 will get a gaming bundle worth over $400, including a gaming headset, a 10,000 mAh power bank and 21,600 Call of Duty mobile points. In Europe, the phone is coming in Q4 for 00 in black, blue and gray,